Hi and welcome to another episode of Unboxing Machine. In this episode I would like to show you the unboxing of the Panasonic DC-GH5S. That's a system camera on the high-end price model. It costs around 2000 euros. It has the ability of filming in 4K. I will put you a link in the description line where you can find the camera. Also, after the unboxing, I will do a small review. So let's get started. Here's an instruction about the upgrade of the firmware. Here are some really thick, I guess, instruction manuals. Here's a quick guide in English, in German, and in Italian. Also, what we have here is like the basic operation instruction in English. In German, I guess that is French and Italian. And also it looks like Spanish. Some guarantee cards and some lenses. What is that? I don't know. So we have a strap, GH5. Here are some cables. Looks like coaxial. That's USB and USB-C, it looks like. This is the charger. That looks like some mount. Another charger. That's a battery. That's an adapter for, looks like, US energy plugs. That's a cable USB, normal USB, micro USB. And this is the actual camera in a leather cloth. This is it. It's only the body. You need an additional lens for it. I bought one also. I will show you that in a separate video. Like the first feel and touch, that's like rubber. Rubber, it's like that you have a good grip on the body. The body is from magnesium, so it's quite light. I think the camera does not weigh more than something about around 700 grams. The good thing is we have here the monitor you can flip out and also switch, so you can see yourself while filming. Yeah, let's fire it up. So additional to the camera, I bought this high-speed SD card to up to 300 megabyte per second. That's really important to have a really fast SD card if you're filming in 4K. I will put you also a link where you can find such high-speed SD cards in the description line. So the camera comes with 2 slots for SD cards. You can open it with sliding that in that direction, and then I have to check how I put that in. I guess it's only one way. Probably you can't see it because the old camera is really crappy and the autofocus is not so good, but here is like slot number 1 and here's slot number 2. I will put the fast one in slot number 1, and then I have to put in the battery, which is here down below. Here's a trigger and that pops up. Let's see if the battery is charged. If not, I have to charge it. I've also bought a second backup battery. Yeah, that's it, and let's try to fire this thing up. Here's a... I will try to focus that manually. Now I hope you can see that better. Here's the switch on off. Let's see what happens if I turn that on. Some green light. Let's see what happens here. Please select the language. Let's go for German. Now we have to set up the clock. Yeah. Actually it's December the 31st. And right now it's 6:06. So what I can say, the display is really smooth. It's really fast actually. Here's the format. Day, month, year, 24. Okay, let's go. But actually I'm lost a little bit. What? Okay, so you have to click on settings. Settings done. Okay. Battery is quite low. Now I have to which time zone I'm in. Okay. Let's go. And now we see actually nothing because we are missing a lens. So let's put up on a lens. So additional to the GH5S, I bought this lens. It's an all-round lens. And yeah, let's put it on. Let's unbox it. So here's the actual lens. Let's check what we have else on the box. Not much. No, that's it. So we have here operating instruction, operating manual, and what's that? Oh, okay. A bag for the lens and some cover, I would say. Looks like a dust cover or something like that. Okay, I will put on the lens on the GH5S and let's check it out. So I have put on the lens, also the cover, what is not necessarily needed, but I will test that with the cover and without. Let's see how the results will be. Also the camera is quite heavy, I would say right now. You feel really the front flip. I would say in general it's now around 1 kilogram, but I will measure it. So let's fire the thing up. Again, same procedure. Put on the energy button on. Let's see on the screen what is happening. And now we see a picture. What we didn't saw before. We see the battery is low. Let's go into the movie mode, which is, I have no idea, I think that one. What is really nice, the wheel, you feel a feedback. It's not really clumsy or plastic one, but it's like from metal, and you feel really how mechanically every point on the wheel is like switching. I like that feeling. Yeah. I will play a little bit around also with the menu and make some footage, and we'll show you the results in the next video. If you like the unboxing of the GH5S, give me please a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, I have a question for you. What would you take for a camera for filming? Like the new trend, is it like, do you prefer a system camera or a camcorder? Or how do you like the Sony Alpha A7 III? Please let me know. Put your answers in the description line. Bye!